Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave with milk. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs and 1 tablespoon of milk. You'll also need a microwave-safe bowl, a fork for whisking, and a little butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. This method is perfect for a quick breakfast when you're short on time but still want a delicious, fluffy meal. It's surprisingly simple and yields great results. Now, crack your 2 eggs directly into the microwave-safe bowl. Add the 1 tablespoon of milk. Using your fork, whisk the eggs and milk together until they are completely combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 30 seconds. After this initial burst, remove the bowl and stir the mixture well with your fork. After the first stir, return the bowl to the microwave. Continue cooking in 15-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each one. This step is crucial for even cooking and preventing rubbery eggs. Keep a close eye on them. You want the eggs to be mostly set but still look slightly moist. Once they reach this perfect consistency, remove them from the microwave and season with salt and pepper to your personal taste. Your microwave scrambled eggs are now ready. For the best texture and flavor, serve them immediately. They pair wonderfully with classic breakfast items like toast, crispy bacon, or even some fresh fruit. This quick and easy method means you can enjoy a satisfying meal even on your busiest mornings. And hey, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, fluffy eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.